7.1 again, question number 3. Subtract. How to subtract the given decimals now we are going to discuss. When we are given with from, that means that the given number which is to the other side of the from, that is 50.04, will be written first and then 39.26, right? Because we have to subtract this number from this. Therefore, we'll write first of all, that is 50.04 and then downside 39.26 like this. Got it clear now? Whenever we have to subtract the decimals or any number, when it is written from in the given question, that from stands for, from means that the given number which is to the other side of the from, those numbers we will write first and then downside we will write the first given decimals. So now how to subtract, you see. This is 4 and this is 6. Can 6 be subtracted from 4? 6 cannot be subtracted from 4. Therefore, this 4 will borrow 1 from the other side. So when 4 will borrow, 4 will become 14, and then from that 14 we will subtract this 6. 8 will remain here. Then you didn't have this 0 here, right? Because 5 has given 1 to this 0, and again this 0 has given 1 to this one, and then this has given 1 to here, and this became 9, and 9 minus 2 is 7. Okay, and then here also 9 minus 9 is 0, and this is not 5, this is 4 minus 3 is 1. Clear? So 10.78 will be your answer for subtraction of question number 2A. Now if you see 2B, question is subtract 105.026 from 317.54. Now we have to subtract this particular number from here. So first of all, which number we should write? We'll write 317.54 first and then minus 105 point, what is that? 026. This is the point where which we should notice. You see, first of all, I have just written according to the place values the given number. If you see here, you will start from the 6th place, this place. So this 6, from which number you should subtract this 6? From which number you will subtract this 6? You don't have anything upside. Upside of 6, you don't have anything. So from which number you should subtract 6? For that now, you need to write here 0. Just you will write here 0. And then you will start subtracting. 0 minus 6, is it possible? No. It will borrow. So 10 minus 6 will be 4. And 3 minus 2 will be 1. Then 5. 7 minus 5 is 2. 2 like this. Clear? The point which we have to notice here is we don't have anything in thousandth place of upside number. That's why we'll write the 0 and then we'll move forward and solve. B is done. Then C. Question is subtract 204.194 from 400.62. So first of all, 400.62 we will write like this, and then we have 204.194. 204.19. What is that? 194, yes. So I'll write 4 here. Again, we don't have anything in thousandth place here, thousandth place. So what shall we do? We'll write here 0 and then we will solve. 0 minus 4 is not possible. 0 will borrow 1. It will become 10, and 10 minus 4 is 6. Again, when 2 has given 1 to this 0, so 1 is left here, and 1 minus 9 is not possible. 1 will borrow from here, that will become 11, and 11 minus 9 is 2. Then you have 5 left here. 5 minus 1 is 4. Then point. Moving forward to this side, this is 0 and 0 again. So 0 minus 4 is not possible. It will borrow. 10 minus 4 is 6. And then here 9. 3 minus 2 is 1. So 196.426 will be the answer for C.